Hi students, how are you all? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you scared? Are you angry? So today we are going to discuss about the topic understanding emotions. So coming to this topic, there is a lot to speak. So particularly here in our day-to-day life, we interact with many people, right? So at home, we interact with our parents, with our siblings. In the school, we interact with our teachers, friends, and even with the principal. Is it? So, the way we express our feelings to them, it will be different from person to person. So, when you are talking to your parents, your expression will be different in different situations. When you are talking to your teacher, in certain things, your expression will be different. So, when you are sharing your happy views with your friends, your feelings will be different. So, according to the situation, your emotions will be keeping on changing. So, for example, in the school, while you are playing, you will be very excited and happy playing with your friends. And while you are in the classroom, when teacher asks you some questions, how do you feel? You feel little nervous, or sometimes you may be normal. So, in this way, according to the situation, we have different emotions. So, when your mom gives you things which you like or things which you are most needed, you feel very happy, isn't it? So, here let us see few emotions. Okay, let us go with the emotions. I'll explain you each emotion. Okay, this is the happy emotion. You feel happy when you are satisfied things given to you. Example, if you like biryani and if biryani is ordered to you, definitely you feel happy. Okay. So the next emotion is sad. You feel sad when you are not satisfied with things which you like. If your mom scolds you or your dad doesn't give you what you want, you will be sad. Is it? Okay. This is the next emotion. Angry. You feel angry in certain situations, especially when you are with your siblings fighting with each other, you get angry, right? So this is surprise. When your unexpected gifts are given to you, definitely you will be surprised. So this is the surprise emotion. Now next we are going to see scared. When do you feel scared? You feel scared when you see a snake is crawling, or when you see some worms, when any fearful accidents takes place, we feel nervous and scared, right? So now let us see the other emotion, that is jealous. When do you feel jealous? You feel jealous of your friend if she is getting class first and you are at the next rank to her. Definitely you feel jealous. Okay. Now let's see the other emotion, that is excitement. you will be excited. For example, when you're taken to a tourism place or a historical place, you will be excited to see those places. So this is excitement. Now let's go with the other emotion, that is silly. When you are with your siblings or with your friends, sometimes you behave silly manner, right? Okay. So this is the next emotion, that is sleepy. When do you feel sleepy? When the teacher or mom asks you to take the book and read continuously, definitely you will feel sleepy, right? So this is sleepy emotion. So now let's go with the other one, is grief. Grief means feeling so deep sadness, or a lot of sadness will be shown. You are literally crying. So when someone is passed away, we definitely feel sad. Is it? Very, very sad. So this is grief. Children, we have learned different type of emotions, right? These emotions are quite common to everyone. So when someone expresses their emotions, we should definitely understand their emotions. We should be able to understand and communicate to them according to the situation they are facing. So this is the way how we can understand emotions. Let us go with the other activity. I'll show you the symbol and you have to name it which emotion it is. Okay, I'll show you the symbol and you name it. Which emotion is this? This is happy. This is happy emotion. We feel happy when we are happy. Okay. This is the which emotion? This is excited. We feel excited when we see rare things. Okay. Excitement. Which face is this? This is sad face. Is it? This shows a sad face. Which face is this? This is angry face. We get angry sometimes. So this is angry face. Okay. Now let us see another face. Which face is this one? This is sleepy face. This is sleepy face, where we feel sometimes sleepy. So here children, we have learned many types of emotions, right? So you take your color sheets and you draw different type of emotions and you have to show to me. Okay. So hope you understood well. Children, we have to understand different types of emotions which each individual is facing, and we have to understand their emotions according to it. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.